everyone, it is Coach Maggie with another Soul Food Sunday. And today I want to talk about gifts. You know, most of us are out there shopping over the weekend. I was doing my share of shopping just to get some last minute things done. And when we think about gifts, we want to pick the best gifts. But you know, as we think about the Christmas story, we know of the wise men bringing gifts, and they brought gold, frankincense, and myrrh, and they were valuable gifts, especially in that day and age. But you know what? Each one of us has been given an extraordinary gift. And how are we using that gift? You know, it's easy because often I talk to people and they say, I don't have any gifts. Well, the fact is, we all have been given gifts. They were planted in us before we were even born. But are we using them? Sometimes we devalue our gifts because we think, first of all, I don't have any. And even if someone says, well, what about this or what about that? We're quick to go, oh, but that's not that much of a gift. Well, the thing is, the gift is really like getting a box and it's wrapped beautifully. And it's not until Christ puts his finger on it that's when the gift really comes alive. We all do have gifts. And again, we shortchange ourselves by saying, oh, but those people that just have that knack for hospitality, that could be your gift. And the Lord is asking you, use that gift to reach out to people, to bring that cup of cold water to someone, to welcome people. There are people with a gift of words. Use them to bring people to that knowledge of who Christ is. Use those gifts. Maybe you have that gift of serving. I have a cousin, and no matter what event, you will find Kathleen somewhere in the kitchen helping, wiping up spills, behind the scenes. She doesn't want to be noticed, but her presence is definitely felt. That is her gift. We all have at least one gift. And if you are saying, you don't know me, I don't have a gift, you do. It just needs to be nurtured. You need to, first of all, identify that gift, but you also need to reach out to people and just ask. Ask those closest to you because we all do. And just like presents come in all shapes and sizes, so do the gifts. And often we're wanting our gift to be some huge thing. And maybe it's just that you have a heart of compassion that's more than most people. Maybe your gift is a very noticeable gift. Maybe it's your ability to connect with all types of people. We've all been given gifts. Did we earn them? No, absolutely not. But we do need to be using those gifts. And when we don't, it's almost like saying to the giver of the gifts, I don't appreciate my gift. Just as the wise men came from afar with those gifts and put them at the feet of probably a young toddler, we have those gifts and we need to be using them on a regular basis. So look for opportunities. Most people have multiple gifts. But as you nurture those gifts, as you use them, you will see there's so much more. There are people that only you can reach. And so our gifts are an opportunity to take those things and to reach the people. Will I reach people around the world? Probably not. But there are the people that I can reach. And there are the people that I need to be using my gifts on. The beautiful thing is, as we use our gifts, it opens the way for people to start using their gifts because they start to discover theirs. And as they discover their gifts, there's a ripple effect. And so let's make sure that we are, first of all, acknowledging the gifts that we have. We don't complain because there's a reason that we have that gift. And that's where spending time with the Lord and just asking and then taking those gifts and start using them, we will see that gift actually grow. You know, usually when we think of giving a gift, we're giving away something, and that's true. But in this case, not only are we giving away, but we're receiving, and the gift keeps growing and growing and growing. So go out, discover your gifts, and help those around you. So often it's like a mirror. We can't see it in ourselves, but we can be a mirror for someone else to help them discover the beauty of the gifts that God's put in us on purpose, no accidents. It's not a, oh, well, let's see, I've got one stray gift left over, I'll give it to you. No, these gifts were specially picked just for you and me. So let's go out and let's use those. Be blessed, have an amazing week, and come back tomorrow morning for my 5-minute Monday mindset. Take care, and as always, God bless.